Installing inside mount cellular shades is easier than you think. Let's walk through installing motorized top-down bottom-up cellular shade. Here's what you'll need: a metal tape measure, pencil, a flathead screwdriver, and a drill with a 5/64" drill bit. Each cassette shade comes with the same basic components: the shade, mounting hardware, and brackets. Depending on type of shades you ordered, the pieces you have may be a little bit different. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Each cellular shade includes a label showing where to install the brackets. Just follow the label to mark your bracket positions. Next, hold the brackets at your marked spots. Use a pencil to mark where the screw holes will go. Pre-drill holes using the 5/64" bit. Start by loosely attaching the brackets so you can adjust and level them, then tighten the screws once everything is aligned. Now, let's mount the cassette. There is an internal slot in the cassette that snaps into the brackets. Hold the cassette with the shade facing toward you. Hook the slot into the bracket, then push inward until it clicks. For motorized cellular shades, connect the battery before operating the shade. Plug the two cables together, then hang the battery onto the cassette. If your window has enough depth, the battery can also be hidden behind the cassette. The battery can be removed at any time for charging. And that's it. Now, just test your shades to make sure everything works properly. To take the shade down, push it straight back with steady pressure until it clicks free. We hope you enjoy your brand new shades from SenseBlinds. If you have any questions, check out our installation guide on SenseBlinds.com, or just give us a call.